Today I'm going to be showing you how to make quick gumbo using your Instant Pot. First, cut up a package of sausage. The usual go-to is andouille, but my little one doesn't like stuff too spicy, so I substituted it with a chicken apple sausage. Next, slice up the green and red bell peppers. The easiest way I have found is to slice off a 1/4 inch off the top and then reach in and pull out the seeds, then dice and add to the bowl of sausage. Slice up your onions and mince your garlic. Try smashing the garlic cloves with the back of your knife to easily remove the skins. Cut celery into bite-sized pieces and add it to the bowl of items already chopped. Now it's time to make your own homemade Creole seasoning. You will need paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried oregano, dried basil, dried thyme, ground black pepper, white pepper, cayenne pepper, and an eager helper. Add 2 tablespoons each of onion powder, garlic powder, dried oregano, and dried basil. Add 1 tablespoon dried thyme, black pepper, white pepper, and cayenne pepper, 5 tablespoons of paprika, and 3 tablespoons of salt, and mix well. In a separate bowl, add 1 14 to 15 ounce can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes and 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, aka Rotel. I love our OXO can opener. It creates a smooth edge so you won't cut yourself on those sharp can lids. Next, add 3 cups of chicken stock, some bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Cut 1 pound of chicken breast into bite-sized cubes. And be on the lookout for anyone stealing your sliced vegetables. Add the chicken to the bowl with the tomatoes and seasonings and set aside. Set your Instant Pot to the sauté function, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and allow to heat up. Now, add your bowl of cut vegetables and sausage. Sauté for 3 to 5 minutes or until vegetables become soft. Remove all vegetables and sausage and set aside. Immediately, add butter to Instant Pot and stir, scraping up any cooked bits from the bottom of the pot. When butter is melted, add flour. Cook 5 minutes, stirring constantly until the butter and flour mixture is a dark brown color, forming a roux. Then, turn the cooker off. Add all the prepared ingredients back to the pot, including the cooked vegetable sausage and tomato and chicken mixture. Close and lock the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Choose the pressure cooker option and select high pressure. Set cook time to 20 minutes. While the pressure is building, prep your okra by slicing into 1-inch rounds. Prep your raw shrimp by removing the shells and tail and deveining. It's going to start smelling really good in your house. When the time is up, turn the cooker off. Quick release by turning the valve to venting. Once the pressure is fully released, remove the lid and stir in the okra. Press sauté and cook uncovered for 5 minutes. Add shrimp and cook an additional 5 minutes or until shrimp is cooked through. Remove and discard the bay leaves, serve with rice, and enjoy.